Strawberry farming has become a high-value commercial venture, ensuring massive profits through modern technology.
For a commercial project, the soil is tested and prepared into raised beds for optimal growth.
Advanced mulching paper is used to retain soil moisture and suppress weed growth effectively.
Saplings are planted at calculated intervals to ensure every plant receives maximum nutrition.
A smart drip system delivers water and nutrients directly to the roots with surgical precision.
To ensure commercial success, high-yield varieties developed through tissue culture are selected.
Through fertigation, essential minerals are dissolved in water and sent directly to the root zone.
A few weeks after planting, beautiful white blossoms begin to cover the entire field.
Honeybees are introduced to the farm to ensure natural pollination, resulting in perfectly shaped fruits.
Following pollination, tiny green strawberries begin to emerge and grow rapidly.
Chemical-free pest management ensures the production of safe and organic berries. With ample sunlight and nutrition, the berries transform into a vibrant, ruby red color.
The sweetness and Brix levels are tested to determine the peak time for harvesting.
To prevent bruising, each strawberry is meticulously hand-picked with its stem intact.
Freshly harvested berries are immediately moved to the pack house.
The field heat is quickly removed in pre-cooling rooms to extend the shelf life of the fruit.
Advanced optical sensors sort the strawberries into different grades based on quality and size.
Every berry is thoroughly cleaned and sanitized to meet global food safety standards.
The strawberries are packed into attractive, ventilated containers for the retail market. Surplus fruits are processed into premium quality jams, jellies, and preserves.
State-of-the-art freeze-drying technology creates healthy, crispy strawberry snacks.
Each pack is labeled with a tracking code to ensure full traceability for the consumer.
Through a dedicated cold chain, the berries are delivered fresh to city supermarkets.
High market demand and premium pricing make this venture a dream come true for farmers.
A commercial strawberry project is your gateway to a profitable and modern agricultural career.